Dear students of class 9th, theorem number 4 के बाद theorem number 5. Theorem number 5 is equal chords of a circle or congruent circles are equidistant from the center. Dear students, अगर आप एक सर्कल में दो कार्ड्स लेंगे such that their length will be same, we have to show that the chords are equidistant from the center. That means if we draw two perpendiculars from the center, the perpendiculars should be same. और अगर हम दो कार्ड्स लेंगे अलग अलग सर्कल्स में लेकिन सर्कल्स कॉन्स्टेंट होंगे, तो कॉन्स्टेंट सर्कल्स दो कॉन्स्टेंट सर्कल्स में दो कार्ड्स अगर लेंथ में सेम होंगे तो उनकी डिस्टेंस सेंटर से दिखानी है इक्वल. तो लेट अस सी हियर a circle with center or radius are AB and CD are the two chords such that AB equal to CD. If OM, these are the perpendiculars from the center to the chord. That means OM is the distance of chord AB from the center and ON is the distance of chord CD from the center. In this question or in this theorem, we have to prove here that if AB and CD are equal, we have to show that OM equal to ON. Construction. Join. We will join one end point of one chord to the center and one end point of the another chord with the center. Join OA and OC. Join OA and OC. Prove. दो ट्रायंगल्स हम लेंगे OMA, another triangle ONC. In two triangles OMA and ONC, OM दिखाना है ON के बगैर बराबर. तो अब फर्स्ट कंडीशन वी विल राइट हियर OA equal to OC. OA equal to OC because radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Second condition we have here, since AB equal to CD, therefore half of AB equal to half of CD. We will write AM equal to CN, hollows of equal chords. Hollows of equal chords. क्योंकि हम जानते हैं, हमने एक थ्योरम में प्रूव किया, perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord always bisects the chord. Therefore, OM is the perpendicular, it will bisect AB at M. Therefore, AM is the half of AB. Similarly, ON is perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord CD. This ON bisects CD, hence CN or ND are the hollows of chord CD. But AB equal to CD, chords are equal, therefore half of this chord equal to half of this chord, half of this chord AM, half of this chord CN, AM equal to CN, hollows of equal chords. Third condition is OM equal to ON. OMA, angle OMA equal to angle ONC because each is 90. Each is 90. This angle, they are both 90 because OM is the perpendicular distance of the chord AB from the center. Therefore, OM is perpendicular, this angle 90, this angle 90. Triangle OMA congruent triangle ONC by which criterion? This OA equal to OC. OA is side opposite to 90, OC is side opposite to 90. Therefore, OA is hypotenuse, OC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to hypotenuse. AM equal to CN, side equal to side, 90 equal to 90. Therefore, by RHS, these two triangles are found by RHS. Therefore, third side OM equal to third side of another triangle ON, CB, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. In this way, we have proved that equal chords of a circle or congruent circles are equidistant from the center. Similarly, we can prove it again in two congruent triangles. अगर हम दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स देंगे, दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल्स देंगे, दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल्स देंगे, तो दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल्स में दो कार्ड्स देंगे, तो सिमिलरली in the same way we can prove that the two chords which are equal in a circle or congruent circle, they are equidistant from the center.